Hey guys, this is Cindy with SeekOptics.com, and today we're going to show you how to replace the lenses on your Oakley Sliver and your Oakley Sliver XLs. Now these lenses are not interchangeable, so they will not fit each other's frames, but the technique remains the same. So let's get started. First thing we're going to want to do is bring the frames towards you like this, and we're going to turn them around like if you're going to put them on. Once you've done that, go ahead and rotate the frame, and we're going to locate the top and bottom portions here and here. And we're going to hold on to here, to these sections, and we're going to pull out as we push the lens forward to unseat it. You should hear a popping sound. I like that. Once you hear that popping sound, don't be alarmed. It's just the lens unseating itself from the grooves of the frame. We're going to do the same thing to this side. Locate top and bottom portions here and here. And we're going to pull out as we push the lens forward. Give it a shot. Perfect. So now to install your new Seek Optic lenses, you're going to want to turn your frame around. Once you've turned your frame around, locate the grooves on the inside of the frame here and here. Now this is the section that we're going to line up our lens to. Now today I'm going to be installing our new Revo Ice Blue Seek Optics lens. It's one of my favorite colors with exceptional clarity. I always recommend this lens. So we're going to line up the edge here, the bottom edge of the lens, to the bottom groove here. Once we line that up, like so, we're going to push the lens forward to get it to seat in. Like that. You should hear that pop. Go ahead and run your thumbs along the edges of the lens just to make sure that it's seated in there correctly. We're going to do the same thing to the other side. Locate the groove here. Line up your lens. And once your lens is lined up, we're going to push the lens inward, or we're going to push it forward to get it to lock into place. And you should hear that pop. Like that. Run your thumbs along the edges of the lens just to make sure it's locked in. And now you are good to go. So once you've installed your new Seek Optic lenses into your frames, we would love to see how you've customized your look to fit your everyday needs. So go ahead and post a picture to Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram with the hashtag SeekOptics. If you did like the Revo Ice Blue lenses, we'll go ahead and we'll provide the link below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more updates and content. Of course, if you do have any further questions about the installation, your frames, or the lenses, please feel free to give us a call or shoot us an email to info@seekoptics.com.